Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the right cable and identifying the router port so you waste no time. Use Cat5e or Cat6 for stable speeds. First, power cycle both devices because many link issues clear with a fresh handshake. Unplug for 10 to 30 seconds, then restart router, then Xbox. Once done, go to Settings, Network Settings on the Xbox, and choose Wired Connection to force a link. This confirms physical connectivity before deeper troubleshooting. You now diagnose the link. Run the Xbox network test and record ping, download, and upload numbers so you know what's wrong. If results are poor, swap the Ethernet cable and try a different router port because broken wiring or port faults are common. Next, inspect IP and DNS settings. Set to automatic first to get DHCP details, and only switch to manual with specific DNS values if automatic fails. This tells you whether the issue is routing, naming, or the physical layer. You complete the fix by applying a stable network configuration. Assign a manual IP and reliable DNS if DHCP is flaky, and reserve that IP in the router to prevent conflicts. Make sure both the router firmware and the Xbox system are up to date, because patches fix networking bugs, update, and then retest. If issues persist, try another network or use USB tethering to confirm whether your router or ISP is the culprit. This single test narrows down the remaining causes quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.